Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen. This is my Chevy C1500. Today I'm installing the arm dust shields, and these go over your front wheels. They keep the debris and water out of your motor from your wheels splashing up and stuff like that. So on mine they're gone, so I want to replace them. I got these from Rubber the Right Way. It's a company out of San Diego, and real nice quality stuff. They give you the three pieces, one for each front wheel, and one goes around the battery box. I haven't figured that part out, but I will. And they also give you there's a canoe clips for each one of these. Real easy to install. So whenever I do a project or a job that's related to jacking the truck up, one of the wheels off the ground, I always block the other three. Just use 4x4 as a little precaution. It's better to do that than, have a possible accident. Now in this job, I find it's easier to jack the truck up, just to lift the body up a little bit. Gives you a little more access for behind the wheel. I'm not saying you can't do it without doing it that way, but I just prefer to do it that way. It raises it up to a comfortable height for me. Okay, to prep myself, I do use my bottle jack. Back here, it's, I don't know, maybe 24 inches behind the front wheel, and I back it up with a jack stand. You never know. I mean, it's not that big a deal to drag the jack stand out and just have it there in case the pump or the jack fails. So I've got it jacked up pretty good. You can see it's much easier to get at everything. So these are the pieces. You want the curved side towards the back. You can see these holes line up perfect. So you can pretty much start anywhere. Just start popping these clips in. So all you gotta do is just push them in firm. So I did run into a little snag on the driver's side with the dust shield on over the arm, control arm, and the last two holes, this one and this one, there wasn't a hole there. So I just drilled a couple of holes, pushed the canoe clips through, and everything looks good. Happy with the fit. Alright, so this one's on the passenger side. Like I say, all the holes line up perfectly with the rubber, and clips just go in real easy. Really nice setup. It's important in Florida to have this because you know, we do get a lot of water and flooding here, and you don't want debris getting up in there, and also maybe shorting out your spark plug. So the last piece, there's 3 pieces. I'm not sure how it went in, but I just kind of put the tapered end underneath the air cleaner, tucked it in there, wrapped this side around the battery, and put in 1 canoe clip here. So I didn't want to drill another hole to put in another clip. Figured the heck with it. But it did remind me that I do need to get a battery clamp, hold down clamp for this, so something I got to chase down. So that's all there is to it. Real simple, kind of important. It's nice to have it right. So I hope this helps somebody out, and thanks for watching.